In this video, you'll learn how to cancel your Emergent AI subscription. By following these steps, you will successfully navigate the process and ensure that your subscription is terminated appropriately. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Once the browser is open, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of the window. Here, type in Google and press the Enter key. This action will take you to the Google homepage where you can start your search. Next, in the Google search box, type Emergent AI and press Enter. Again, this will display a list of search results related to Emergent AI. Look for the official website link that corresponds to Emergent AI, which typically appears at the top of the results. Click on this link to proceed to the Emergent AI homepage. Once you are on the Emergent AI website, locate the profile icon, usually found the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to access a drop-down menu. In this menu, select Account Settings. This action will redirect you to the Account Management section. After reaching the Account Settings page, look for the option labeled Billing. Clicking on this will take you to the billing section where you can manage your payment details and subscription status. Here you should see various options regarding your subscription. In the billing section, find the button labeled Cancel Renewal. This option allows you to stop the automatic renewal of your subscription. Click on it and a confirmation message may appear informing you about the cancellation process and its implications. Ensure you read this message carefully before proceeding. Following the cancellation of the renewal, you will be prompted to confirm your decision. Look for a button labeled Close or Confirm. Clicking this will finalize the cancellation process. It is crucial to ensure that you complete this step to avoid any unintended charges. Once you have confirmed the cancellation, navigate back to your profile icon, click on it again and select Emergent Docs from the drop-down menu. This will redirect you to the documentation section where you can find important information about your account and subscription. In the Emergent Docs section, you may see messages regarding your plan and unused credits. Pay attention to these notifications as they provide valuable information about what happens after cancellation, including the status of any remaining credits or projects. Finally, ensure you have noted any important messages regarding your credits and projects before fully exiting. This includes understanding that unused monthly credits will expire at the end of the billing cycle, while top-up credits do not expire. After reviewing this information, you can safely log out of your account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.